Hello, Namaste, and welcome to Divine Path Tarot. Today I am going to do a general love reading for the sign Pisces. Pisces people, please keep in mind that these are general readings, so it may or may not resonate with each one of you. So please take what resonates with you and ignore the rest. Pisces people, in this reading, first of all, I am going to check your current energy and your partner's current energy, and then we'll proceed with your readings. Okay? The Hanged Man. Pisces, I feel that some of you could be dealing with another Pisces, and Four of Pentacles. Okay. So Pisces, this is your current energy, the Hanged Man, and this is your partner's current energy, Four of Pentacles. So we'll discuss about your current energy first, and then we'll proceed with your reading. Okay, so we have the Hanged Man. I feel that you guys are going through some kind of spiritual awakening, or some kind of awakening thing is happening with you people. Okay, moreover, I feel that you have kept certain things in your life on hold. Okay, perhaps you have you don't want to talk about certain topics in your life. Okay, you don't want to think about certain topics, certain persons, certain situations at this point of time in life. Okay, you want you have kept all such things on hold. Okay, and with this card I feel that you are being somebody who is looking for your actual calling in life. You want to see what is there for you in life, what God has kept for you. Okay, yes. I feel, Pisces people, you have kept your relationship or emotions on hold right now. Okay, as I said, that you guys are going through some kind of a awakening, and I feel that you guys are going through some kind of a spiritual awakening. Okay, something is going on in your life. Okay, so that's why you have kept your emotion and your relationship and your affection and all these attachment, or all such attachments on hold. Okay, you just want to see what is there for you in life. Okay, you are just searching your own path, so you feel that it's okay, whatever is be it emotion, be it love, or be it relationship, you don't want to talk about it, you don't want to think about it. Okay, you feel that when the right time will come, all these things will follow. So it's better to keep myself busy in my own growth. It's better to keep myself busy in my to search my own calling. Okay. Okay, so this is your current energy, Pisces, and this is your partner's current energy, Four of Pentacles. Pisces people, your person is being very money minded right now. Okay, they are being somebody who does not want to lose something in life. Okay, and perhaps they are somebody who wants to um, hold their money as tight as they can. I think they had a great fight within their own family, within their own friends. Okay, and they are they are feeling left out by them, because they are not with anyone. They are sitting all alone here. Okay, they are sitting on this bench and nobody is around them, and the city is also very far from them. So emotionally they are feeling left out by their people. And yes, they feel that if they are not getting anything in terms of love, relationship, or affection from their family, or from you, I feel that they are feeling sad, just because you have kept this relationship on hold with this Hanged Man card. So they feel that they have everything, okay, they feel that they have, I mean, they are somebody who is blessed with all the material things in the world, but yes, when it comes to emotion things, they feel left out, okay, they feel that you are very far from their reach. Perhaps they have shown you that okay, I have such things in life, I can provide you the best to best things of the world, okay, but now at this point of time when you are keeping all the things on hold, they feel they feel hurt, okay, they feel lonely, okay. Yes, they feel lonely. They have everything in life, but when it comes to love and emotion and affection, they feel alone. They feel that nobody is around them, okay, with whom they can share their heart, with whom they can share their emotion. And I feel that you have kept your this person on hold. So perhaps they are waiting for you to come back. Okay, they are waiting for you to talk to them, right? This is your partner's current energy, Pisces. Let's see how you see them and how they see you. Oh, Six of Cups. With the Six of Cups, you see them as somebody who is a who is a player, okay. You feel, I mean, you see them as someone who, always wants to be in every circle, okay, who is like really really popular in their own circle or in the social circles, okay. They are somebody who is quite popular in within their family too, okay. And plus you feel this person, that I mean, you see this person is some I mean, do you see them as somebody um who is very flirty, okay, who always flirts around, okay, who always looks up for the other option or better option, okay, to hang out, right? So you feel that this person must be dealing with so many people at the same time, okay. So you feel them, I mean, you see them as somebody who is a player, okay. And let's talk about your person. Your person sees you as somebody who has been transformed, okay. They feel, I mean, they see you as somebody who has seen a lot of troubles in life, okay. Now you are transforming yourself. Now your transformation has been done. Now you are focusing on your own growth. You are focusing on your own success, okay, your own expansion, okay, your own growth, okay. They see you as somebody who has I mean, they see you as somebody who has been killed by so many people, okay, not physically, but yes, on certain level, on emotional level, there are some people who has killed your soul. There are some people who has killed your emotions. So now you are transforming yourself and you have transformed, okay. So transformation, for most of you, the transformation has been done, and if not, then you are going through some kind of a transformation in your life. So that's how your person sees you, right? Now let's see how you feel about them and how they feel about you. So we have Six of Wands, okay, and Seven of Wands. Pisces, you feel with this card Six of Wands about your person, and you feel them as somebody who is a warrior, okay, who has won some battle in their life, okay. You feel that this person has won some battles, and Perhaps you feel that you see them as somebody who is a player, okay, who always talks with everyone, who is like very popular within their circle. Plus you also see them as somebody who always look for the other companion or somebody to roam around with. Okay, so with the Six of Wands, I feel Pisces, you feel about your person as somebody who, when they for you feel that for them it's very easy to uh, catch somebody or to be in relationship with somebody, okay, at this point of time. If they are talking to you, so they are focusing on somebody else, okay, their next target, okay. So when they are with you, uh, they are seeing somebody else, and if they are somebody else, they are seeing somebody else. So they are you feel that they are somebody who is a big time player, okay, who always wants to keep a lot of relationship at a single point of time, or at the same time, okay. If they are with you, then they'll be chasing somebody else, okay. This person, even though this person has won this battle, okay, that means they are successful to chase somebody. Now they are targeting towards somebody new person, okay. And your person feels about you, Pisces, that you are being someone uh, who is afraid to change, okay. They feel that you are somebody who is like really really fearful. They feel that you want to do some action in your life, you want to achieve something in your life, your targets are very high, you want to achieve a lot of success in your life, but when it comes to take action, they feel that you are being somebody who is very fearful, right? They feel that you are blessed because you can escape from such situation, but it's you who does not want to who does not want to escape from this situation, okay. They can see that you are free, but it's your mental blockage which is stopping you, okay. Now let's see how you feel in this relationship and how they feel in this relationship, Pisces. How you feel in this relationship and how they feel in this relationship. Three of Pentacles, that's what I'm telling you. Death. With this Three of Pentacle cards, Pisces, you feel in this relationship that your person is with someone else, okay. You feel that it is like a third party situation. Your person is involved with somebody else, okay. Your person is cheating on you. You feel that they are player, I told you in the beginning, okay. So with this Three of Pentacle card, you feel this person must be talking with so many people, okay. This person is cheating on you. That's how you see, that's how you feel in this relationship, okay. That's why you have kept this relationship on hold, just to see what is going to be there in this relationship, okay. What is there for you in this relationship? Perhaps that's why you have stopped talking to them, okay. Perhaps that's why you are ignoring them, okay. And I feel that you are doing your best, because at some point of time you have a strong intuition, you have strong intuition that you are, your person is with somebody else. They are the player, okay. Death card. Your person sees, or how they feel in this relationship. With this Death card, I feel your person feels in this relationship as they feel that their time is up. They feel now you have got an idea that what they are up to, basically, okay. They are just wasting your time, they are just wasting your efforts, they are just wasting your energy, okay, and you have also got an idea that they must be talking, or they must be dealing with so many other people at the same time. So you have kept yourself on hold with this hangman card. So they feel that their time is up now, okay. You are not going to come back in their life. You are not going to to be available for them in future, okay. Yes, with this death card, they see and they feel that their time is up. Wheel of Fortune. Okay. The future potential of this relationship is Wheel of Fortune. See, there is no communication in this reading, or there is no communication in this relationship. Okay, that's what I'm seeing. But yes, Wheel of Fortune is telling me that something can happen. Either you are going to completely away from this person, or you are going to be with this person. But whatever is going to happen, that will take time. And I feel that when the time will be correct, you will definitely move out from this person's energy, okay, because you are taking a lot of time to transform yourself. You are taking a lot of time to think about these situations or these relationships, okay. So when the time will be correct, you are definitely going to choose your mental peace first. You are definitely going to choose yourself first, okay. And yes, eventually you will be out from this hanged man energy, and you are definitely going to get peace. You are definitely going to kick them out of your life, Pisces, right? Now let's see what angels are telling you. Let's take some angel guidance. So we have got two cards, ask your angels and no. Why angels are saying no? Why angels are saying no? I feel that angels wants you to talk to them, okay. Don't think that you are, running your life, or you are the master of your life. There is someone else in this universe who runs this entire universe. There are some powers. I feel angels are asking you to take help from them, okay. So it will be better for you to move out from this hanged man energy. You need to trust your angels. You need to trust your angels, Pisces. They are with you. They are always with you. They love you. They listen to you. Okay. Don't think that you are somebody who can do anything in your life. Okay. There are certain powers in this universe which exist, which actually exist. Be it called God or angels or, spirit guides. Okay. Just talk to them and ask their help. And you need to trust. You need to trust. Right? Okay, so Pisces, I feel that some of you could be dealing with another Pisces with this hangman. We have water sign in this reading, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio with this Six of Cups. We have fire sign in this reading, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius with the Six of Wands and Nine of Wands. We have earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn with this Three of Pentacles and Four of Pentacles. Some of you could be dealing with air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius with this Ten of Swords. And we have Scorpio in this reading with this death card, right? So Pisces people, that was your reading. If any of the part of this reading is resonating with you, please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. God bless you. Bye bye.